Welcome to Marcy's in the kitchen. I'm going to fry pumpkin dumpling. I'm going to use a piece of pumpkin because it's bringing its own water. Remember to remove skin from pumpkin, and this is the way you prepare the pumpkin to go inside the flour. Now it's time to put the pumpkin into the flour. Remember to use 2 cups of flour. You're going to use a small amount of salt. So you're going to use ½ teaspoon of salt. If you love salt, you can use more salt. But me, I don't use a lot of salt into my thing. Remember, it's fried dumpling, so you have to use 1 teaspoon of baking powder. My hand is clean, so I'm going to start to mix. This is the way my dough look. Now it's time for me to go ahead and fry my pumpkin dumpling. Now it's time for me to fry my pumpkin dumpling. This is one of my recipes: tin mackerel with pumpkin fried dumpling.